Thank you for being a member. Sponsor, guys. Advance happy Merry Christmas to all of you. For now, we're gonna start collecting some um and others. Thank you so much for all of your support, and especially to our new member now, my Mihai Sabu. Thank you so much for being um for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Shout out Mr. Beast. Thank you so much, guys. I'm supposed to go there, waiting for some customers that you know I am getting a little low but now. I'm gonna wait here. Charging my phone. I am so low but, and by the way, shout out to Sweet Jerry. Shout out Sweet, how's your day? And to my dear friend Andrew, and to all of my supporters. So look at that. My I need a haircut. I need a haircut. I need a haircut, guys. Send super chat, guys. Hey Sabo, thank you so much for the support. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. With a finger heart. With a finger heart. Look. Ang light na, dali na. It's getting so very, 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 very. No customer for now. Just look at that. It's so very silent. Guys, for donation, guys, just click the description link below, and there's my PayPal. You can send any amount of your desired amount for my phone repair. I'm gonna repair this phone so that I can vlog freely.